Hi guys, on a beautiful Tuesday, I'll be hiking. I'm not sure if I'll do 10 or 20 or 25, but hello, ke tla hlahla ke moya. Tata, how far I go? I reckon when the route, re tšwa so. Okay guys, the hike continues. I'm loving the trail. It's beautiful. Hiking under trees. It's so beautiful. I just love Limpopo Mountains. Koro, you walk under a shade. So yeah, I'm loving the trail. So as you can see guys, there's a blue and a black arrow. So it shows that the blue one is for the 20, the black one is for the 25. So it means I'm on the right track for 20 or 25. We'll see when we get there. Yo, you missed that guys. Okay guys, the journey continues. I'm going to Bruce's Bush Tunnel. So yeah, this is the trail. I'm loving it already. You know, when there are trees, I'm happy. So yeah, that's why I love Limpopo trails. Most of Limpopo trails have trees. Yeah. I want a tunnel e ba bolela ka yona. Ke tunnel ya mohuta mo. Ah. All right. Tla bona peng. So yeah guys, as I've told you that the blue one it's for 20k, the black one it's for 25k. So yeah, there comes a point in life where you have to decide if you can still go on or not. There are a lot of things that you look at. If time still allows, if your body still allows you, you know. Yeah, so here I am. I'm thinking which way to go. All right, let me decide, guys. Is that I go that route or I go that route? But hala, some of us are just unstoppable and we like challenges and we like reaching the top. I'm doing the 21, the 25. Tata. As you can see guys, there's only black arrow left, so I'm doing the 25k. Hello fellow hikers, let's do this. I'm at Liebenhof Country Lodge and Spa. Woo woo! Doing this, baba. Woo! Guys, 1 hour more hiking, and I'm alone. Now I miss my hiking buddies. And I know Rivetlo Rataki Monte. I know Orvan, if I take it to me. Pinchak shore batuna melamaro. Guys, Kelly, me salanga. Yer, wow, nervlet and a murder. Lekai, Lekai, where are you? We're supposed to be doing freedom walk, man. King Kalen, Alambor. Woo! I'm doing this. I'm doing this. Look who's back. Look who's back, guys. Yeah. So I'm back. And yeah, it was not an easy one, but I think, yeah, anyone can do it anyway. It's not that difficult. So, I was sweating and now I'm even dry like hobbies. So guys, never forget your water bottle all the time. Yeah. So yeah, man, it's always nice to finish your trace. So I did it. Hiking complete. Just finishing now. I'm just excited that I'm back. Long walk to freedom. I did my 25k, guys. Ntile matso. Mara ke sa direle la ka se ntiele nna ke ditšetše ka mpelo lango akere. Look who's back. Yeah. So I'm back, guys. I'm back. Woo woo! Yeah. Wow, I made it, guys. I did my 25k hiking at Leuvenhoek Country Lodge and Spa. I'm done. Woohoo! Get happy language. Woo! So yeah, no, it was beautiful. I enjoyed myself. Alright, guys. Imagine we were hiking. Uskaba bona miss. Nka scream gore. Yay! Oh, I love this. Yeah, guys. I'm back where I started. Wow. It's amazing in life that almost everything, it ends where it started. So yeah. So a lot of experiences, endurances, learning, all that. So I'm back. You see, I was on a black arrow. So yeah. It means I did 25k, guys. Woohoo.